Only one person in India travels in a vehicle like this. A limousine built to carry the nation's highest office.
Every component is carefully engineered inside a high-tech factory where precision, strength, and reliability are essential. Today, we're going inside the factory to uncover the incredible manufacturing process behind India's presidential limousine. The armored steel base for the BMW 760 Li protection.
Precision CNC systems carve the armored chassis structure. Every cut is mapped for ballistic reinforcement zones. Each chassis section is refined to micron-level precision. This ensures seamless armored integration. The armored frame skeleton is robotically welded together. This forms the backbone of presidential protection. The chassis undergoes extreme structural stress testing. Only perfect frames pass ballistic certification. Titanium reinforcements are prepared for door armor integration. These layers ensure multi-level ballistic protection. Hydraulic presses mold armored door shells. Every curve is designed for blast resistance. Multi-layer armor is sealed using precision robotics. This creates blast-resistant door cores. Ballistic glass is layered for multi-impact resistance. Each sheet is engineered to stop high-velocity rounds. The ballistic glass is thermally cured under pressure. This strengthens transparency and impact resistance. The armored chassis is aligned for full vehicle assembly. This marks the structural completion stage. The armored chassis is aligned for full vehicle assembly. This marks the structural completion stage. Reinforced suspension is installed for armored weight support. Engineered for extreme load stability. The V12 engine is prepared for armored integration. Each component is precision balanced. The powerful V12 engine is carefully installed. It is tuned for armored vehicle performance. Complex wiring systems are integrated throughout the chassis, supporting communication and defense systems. Electronic control units are embedded into the armored system. These govern vehicle intelligence and security. Acoustic insulation is applied for silent cabin protection. This ensures privacy for high-level passengers. Hand-stitched luxury leather seats are crafted, combining comfort with armored strength design. Luxury armored seats are installed into cabin frame, designed for executive comfort and safety. The digital cockpit is integrated with armored controls. Advanced systems provide full situational awareness. The reinforced steering system ensures maximum control. Built for heavy armored response handling. Armored doors are mounted onto the reinforced body. Seamless integration ensures blast protection. Doors undergo high-pressure sealing tests, ensuring zero vulnerability in extreme conditions. The armored shell is prepared for luxury coating. Surface is refined for flawless paint adhesion. Precision robotic painting delivers flawless finish. Each layer enhances durability and elegance. The body undergoes infrared paint curing, ensuring long-lasting armored exterior finish. The exterior is polished to mirror finish. Luxury aesthetics meet armored engineering. Run-flat tires are installed for emergency mobility, designed for survival under attack conditions. The armored vehicle undergoes final alignment calibration. Every system is verified for operational readiness. The armored BMW 760 Li protection enters advanced security calibration. Every digital system is encrypted and verified. Cyber defense systems are tested against simulated attacks. No unauthorized access is permitted. Automatic lockdown systems secure the armored cabin instantly. Designed for emergency presidential protection. A concealed emergency escape system is tested, built for extreme survival scenarios. Emergency oxygen systems are integrated into the cabin.
ensuring survival in sealed conditions. Encrypted satellite communication ensures global connectivity. Secure communication is always maintained.
EMP protection layers shield all electronic systems. This prevents external electronic disruption.
The dual power system is tested under full load conditions, ensuring uninterrupted energy supply. Advanced climate control ensures cabin comfort under all conditions. Temperature stability is critical for passengers.
Handcrafted interior leather elevates executive luxury. Every detail is precision stitched.
Premium wood trims are fitted into interior panels. Luxury craftsmanship meets armored engineering.
Ambient lighting creates a calm, executive environment, designed for comfort and prestige.
Executive seats are fully tested for comfort positioning, engineered for long-distance protection travel. Rear entertainment systems are integrated for passengers. Luxury meets high-tech control systems.
Premium sound systems are tuned for acoustic perfection. Every frequency is optimized.
Ballistic glass is installed into reinforced frames. Maximum protection with optical clarity.
Sealing integrity is tested under extreme water pressure. No leakage is permitted. The ballistic glass undergoes controlled resistance testing, designed to withstand high-caliber impacts.
The armored glass absorbs high-impact force instantly. No penetration occurs.
The complete vehicle undergoes vibration endurance testing, ensuring long-term structural stability.
The V12 engine is tuned for armored load performance. Power delivery is optimized. Braking systems are tested under extreme conditions. Control and safety remain absolute.
Steering responsiveness is digitally calibrated, ensuring precise control at all speeds.
The suspension absorbs extreme armored weight loads, engineered for maximum stability. The cooling system ensures engine stability under stress. Temperature control is critical.
All systems are synchronized into a unified control network. Full operational readiness is confirmed.
Expert inspectors verify every luxury detail. Perfection is mandatory. The exterior undergoes final surface scanning. No imperfections are accepted. The vehicle is polished to showroom perfection, ready for presidential-grade delivery. The armored presidential vehicle reaches final activation stage. Every system is now fully operational. The armored BMW 760 Li protection enters real-world performance testing. Every system is pushed beyond normal limits.
The V12 engine delivers controlled high-power acceleration. Despite armor weight, performance remains stable.
Emergency braking systems activate instantly. Control is maintained under extreme inertia.
The vehicle executes precision evasive maneuvers. Stability systems adapt instantly.
The suspension absorbs extreme terrain impact. Passenger comfort remains unaffected. The vehicle is tested in presidential convoy formation. Communication and coordination are verified. All communication channels are fully encrypted. Interception resistance is confirmed.
The cabin automatically seals against external threats. Air filtration ensures safe environment inside. Advanced filtration removes harmful airborne agents. Passenger safety is fully maintained.
The infrared system ensures full night visibility. Security remains active in total darkness. Thermal imaging detects all nearby movement. Situational awareness is maximized. Navigation is secured through encrypted satellite systems. Location integrity is protected. Run-flat tires maintain mobility even after puncture. Vehicle continues operational movement. The armored chassis withstands simulated blast pressure. Structural integrity remains intact. Post-blast inspection confirms zero structural compromise. Armor layers performed as designed.
The vehicle enters final certification phase. All safety protocols are approved. Luxury detailing enhances the presidential presence. Every surface reflects perfection. The interior cabin is finalized for executive comfort. Luxury and security merge seamlessly. All systems are synchronized for final readiness. The vehicle is now fully mission-ready. The armored BMW 760 Li protection leaves the production line, a symbol of ultimate security and luxury engineering. The presidential armored vehicle is presented for final inspection. Every detail reflects engineering excellence. A full cinematic reveal highlights the armored masterpiece. Precision meets prestige. Every component reflects armored engineering perfection. Built for leadership protection. The cabin delivers unmatched executive comfort. Security and luxury coexist seamlessly. All systems report full operational readiness. The vehicle passes final validation. Final sealing ensures absolute protection integrity. No compromise is allowed. The armored vehicle is prepared for official delivery, a symbol of national security engineering. The vehicle stands as a masterpiece of protection engineering, built for the highest level of security. The armored presidential vehicle comes to life. Power, security, and luxury unified. The journey from raw steel to presidential protection is complete. A new standard of armored luxury is born.